So hi, I'm Christoph from IPDX, and we developed a technology to decode the immune system to develop life-saving medical diagnostics and therapeutics. So the challenge that IPDX is attacking is to deliver a deeper understanding of the immune system to help diagnose and treat disease. So IPDX developed a technology to systematically categorize the immune response to understand precisely how it detects and fights disease. So we use this data to develop both diagnostic and therapeutic products. We've developed the core technology. However, you can say it's cumbersome, it's slow. So really what we're doing is we're enhancing the current technology, which really means we're decreasing the time it takes, we're decreasing the cost it takes, and we're increasing its capabilities. Yeah, so with our technology, one of our first use cases that we are working with is diabetes. So with the Green ICT project, we were looking for Norwegian partners with an expertise in the diabetes space. So with that, we're partnered up with Oslo University Hospital as well as Oslo Diabetes Research Center. They have decades of experience in diabetes. They have blood samples, they have expertise in this disease area. So they were an optimal partner for us to find. Currently, we're analyzing blood samples, and we could probably analyze hundreds of samples every few months. However, with the help of this project, we will take this throughput up to thousands of samples every month or so. So what this does is it really provides us with a tipping point for our immune data. And this data can then be mined to identify new correlations and discover new insights for new diseases and populations, which of course will lead to new medical innovations. With our technology, we'll deliver a comprehensive analysis of diabetic patients with our Norwegian partners. And this is with the end goal to really help diagnose and treat patients with high accuracy. So when you think about healthcare, there is really one primary buzzword. It's precision medicine. And what this means is that the right patient will get the right drug at the right time. And we believe an understanding of the immune response is really key to solving these problems. This means that understanding immune response will help in the early detection of disease, which in many cases, the earlier a disease is diagnosed, the easier and cheaper it is to treat. So in the end, we believe IPDX is really making strides in accelerating the path to precision medicine.